Hello, my name is Jag and welcome back to WatchPilot, the home of designer watches. Today we're going to be taking a look at Nordgreen's new autumn and winter collection, which have kindly been sent by the brand themselves for us to review. So here we have the three new models. We have the Pioneer, the Philosopher and the Native, and I'll be talking about all these watches and what I like and don't like. But before we do get into this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button for all new watch content. Let's talk a bit about the Nordgreen brand and what they actually have to offer. So all the Nordgreen watches have actually been designed by the incredible Jakob Wagner. I may pronounce that wrong, so I do apologise in advance, but he is very well known for his Scandinavian and a minimalistic look. After designing for several brands such as Bang and Olive, is that how you put it?
Bang and Olive.
That's the one. He actually does have a lot of great work, but recently been focusing on watch design with Nordgreen. Nordgreen have been completely carbon neutral from the beginning, so from in-house to shipping, which I absolutely love by the way, as well as sustainable packaging. First look, it is very well presented in a navy outer box. When you pull the little toggle here as well, you open it up and you are showcased with the watch straight away. I do love some good packaging. It looks very luxury, premium and very minimalistic, so still following Nordgreen's visions of the brand. They also have a giving back program, which I really do rate. So when you buy a watch, you can choose to donate to one of three causes, and those are protecting the South American rainforest in partnership with Cool Earth, providing clean drinkable water for those in need in Central Africa with Water for Good, and education for children in India. And these are all great causes, and I really do love this and would always prefer to purchase from a company like Nordgreen themselves, knowing that they are giving back to the communities. Now let's get into these watches. Starting off with the Pioneer, it comes with a larger case of 42mm and a green sunray dial, which I really do like. I'm not one really to go for the colour green, but it really does showcase its earthy look, which I know Nordgreen have actually gone for in this autumn and winter collection. It ties in nicely with the gunmetal stainless steel 3-link bracelet, which I also really do rate. It's not like your normal silver stainless steel bracelet that everyone tends to have. I forgot to mention that this watch has a chronograph movement and a screw down crown. So taking a closer look at the dial, there is actually no number markings, which gives it that minimalistic look. I also really love how smooth this second hand sweeps back around the dial as well. It looks really nice and very clean. So overall, this watch is the perfect weight and it feels very, very well made. The only con I would have to say about this watch is that the case is very thick and kind of deep. That just is my personal preference. Everyone has their own, obviously, watch styles and probably prefer that. This watch will actually retail at £239. Next up, we have the Philosopher. Compared to the Pioneer, this watch has a smaller case of 36mm and a white dial. I personally would say the dial is very clean and minimal, giving it that more formal look. Like the Pioneer and Native, this watch has a high quality battery powered Japanese quartz movement. As you can see, there is also a date window in the dial, but it is very small and you may find it difficult to read. Unlike some of the other brands, the two-tone stainless steel silver and gold bracelet is very well made and doesn't make a rattling sound compared to your more cheaply made watches, but it does really complement the dial very nicely. This watch does retail at £189. Lastly, we have the Native. We will start off with the case. It is silver coloured, as you can see, and a lot thinner compared to the other watches we've spoken about in this video, but it does have a larger dial of 40mm. This watch is complemented by its blue sunray dial, which is one of my personal favourites. I do prefer the dark autumn and winter colours compared to the summer colour palettes. The only thing I would have to say is it might be very difficult to read in the low light with the dark blue dial. You can see the watch have buttons and not numbers with no second hand, which gives the watch its simple and sophisticated look. The dial is protected by a sapphire crystal glass, which is scratch resistant. The watch features a brown leather strap, which is actually really good quality. You can change the straps quickly and easily without no tools from the comfort of your own home, which is incredible by the way. Overall, it has a great quality thin case and a lovely soft leather strap. The only con I would have to say about this watch is that it doesn't have many features, but that's the beauty of this watch. It showcases its simple look. This watch will retail at £144. And that's part of the new Nordgreen Autumn and Winter collection. Out of these three watches we've reviewed today, my favourite definitely has to be between the Native and the Pioneer, just because of the earthy, dark winter colours. Let us know down below in the comments which one your favourite is. I absolutely love this new collection. As you'd expect, there are further watches in this range which are equally as pleasing. To shop this incredible collection, visit our website watchpilot.co.uk and we will see you next time. Bye!